Cangrejos.
Cangrejo.
Cangrejo. Oye.
Oh my goodness.
Say hola to the world. Chiquita. Chiquito. Rice and crabs for dinner tonight.
How many do you think you got? Oh dear.
Ooh. I don't know. It's a lot of little ones.
They look big to me.
Little ones in the bottom.
You caught this all by hand, right?
All by hand. With a glove on.
Manually by hand. Oh my goodness.
Ooh. Ducky, you want a
Lucky.
crab?
She went into the...
She doesn't like crabs. See, these are small ones. These ones you don't need to peel. You can just eat them as it is. Fresh.
Cangrejos with
See?
epazotes. I can see. You don't have to point to me.
Can you smell the gas? Mmm.